We are here in the Lubcon Falls, here in Fortes. Lubcon, Fortes, Surigao do Sur. We're here to enjoy ourselves and everyone. Basta, secret. Okay. I must just introduce to everyone. This is Lubcon Falls. We're here in Surigao do Sur. Now, yeah. Friend ko sa Romano, then this night Pinchi, Noka White, and then the John Mark, the Tres Marias, but not the three, it is four, and me. Guys, kami ka mo singgit-singgit ka, dili ba nato territory? That is Jorel, John Mark and Marky, and Romano Miliana. And also it's me, Cindy. Hi! Oh, look there. Yan po ang mga taong naliligaw ng landas. Mga tagaw. Bye,